this video, I will explain you how to create work from home survey. First, you need to click add-on, Coffee Form, and then load from template. You can search work from home survey, click the template and load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and settings. After you refresh the page, click Coffee Form and then get link. And then click continue and go to your account. Just click advance and then go to Coffee Form and click allow. After you get the link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So now the form is ready to use. You can also edit your form in your Google spreadsheet in the questions tab. Like for example, I want to insert a new row and change the question type into text, and for the question text I change it into name. So it will be shown like this. Also, you can change the question type into date and question text date, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear like this. You can also change the background color of your form in the setting and it will change. For the title style, you can also delete the mark behavior, so the title will stuck like this. Thank you.